Looping statements. This statement tells the JavaScript interpreter to execute the statements again and again until the specified condition is met. The looping statements can be divided into three types. For loop. This looping statement is used when we already know how many times the code should run. While loop. It is simpler than the for loop. In this loop, condition and block of statements are given. The condition is tested before each pass through the loop. If the condition is true, then it executes that block statement. Do while. This loop is more similar to while loop. The difference is that it will repeat the loop until the specified condition is false. This loop is always be executed at least once, even if the condition is false, because the block of statements is executed before the condition is tested. In this loop statement, curly braces are optional. Label. A label helps in flow of the program. It is an identifier followed by a colon. Break. This loop is used to exit from the innermost loop or from the statements of label. It terminates the control loop and transfers the control to the statement. Continue. This statement skips the statement which is next to it and executes the loop with next iteration. It is used along with an if statement inside while, do while, for or label statements. Object handling statements. JavaScript provides some special statements to handle the objects. Two types of statements are for, in and with. For in. The foreign statement iterates a specified variable over all the properties of an object. The body of the for in statement is executed once for each property of an object. With. With statement reduces the typing effort when properties of same object have to be accessed. Let us understand the use of this statement. Here, two objects math and document are default objects. The statements following the with statement along with math object refer to the pi property and the cos and sine methods without specifying an object. Same way, the statement following the with statement along with document object refer to the write method without specifying the object. JavaScript assumes the math and document object for these references.